Welcome back to my channel, guys. I noticed a lot of people have been having issues with Dash app failed transactions. Some people actually tried to make a transaction, it failed, and they were debited. And in the later on, the transaction changed from failed transaction to successful. It happened to a lot of people, though some have been able to recover back their money. But what you need to do right now for you to get back your money, I think is it's for you to go to your what's it called, your Dash app. Once you get your Dash app, make a screenshot of that transaction that turned successful. Since if Dash app should say it is now successful, so that means the end is for us to, and you can't find it on Binance. Maybe the amount of money that you were supposed to find that was said to be successful doesn't reflect on your Binance account or wherever wallet you use. If it's Trust Wallet, it depends on the wallet you use. If it doesn't reflect there, then all you need to do is screenshot where it shows successful on Dash app, and go to Paybis. If you use Paybis, you go to Paybis, contact Paybis support, send them the screenshot of that successful, the transaction that is now showing successful, which you are yet to get value for. Let them know that okay, this transaction is actually now successful from Dash app end. So, and I'm yet to receive the fund in my Binance account. So then now Paybis needs to now check their system to confirm if the fund is not with them. Either it's with them or not, they need to confirm that. So once you do that, you also go to the Cash App end, made a screenshot of the failed transaction if you have it already, and if you don't, just screenshot the successful one, the one showing successful, then drop a message for them. I know lately they've not been responding fast as they used to do before, but I noticed if you chat them on the app, sometimes you see the green tick notification that shows they've actually read the message, but they don't respond. So the important thing now is keep dropping the message as much as you can and keep making some reminders. There are people that they won't respond to them, but they will treat their issues. So what you need to do is drop the screenshots there for them, explain to them what transpired. Okay, the transaction actually was initially it was showing failed transaction, and my account was debited, no fund was refunded, my fund was not refunded, and now it's now showing successful. Meanwhile, I didn't get a reversal of the transaction, and on the receiving end, I didn't receive the amount of money that I was debited for. So please do something on this. If it means your support contacting Paybis on my behalf to check the glitch between the two parties to make everything comes back. As your customer, you should be the one to stand for me in situations like this. So you don't really need to go to that extent, but just make them know that okay, this was what happened. It's now showing successful. Meanwhile, it used to be it was actually initially failed. It's initially a failed transaction, which is now showing successful, and you can't even find your fund. So it's only one. I've seen one person that got his own refunded actually. So you can also try the same system. That was what he did. So you can also try the same and see if it works out for you, and hopefully it will work out. Just give it a try. There's no harm in trying. Give it a try. Send to Paybis. After sending to Paybis, come back to Dash. Send to them via the chat app. That's the support on the chat. Use the old app. The old app, the support is faster and better on the old app. Send to them on old app. Go to their Twitter handle. Send them, even if it means tweeting them, chat them up, doing everything you can do it. Also go to their mail as well. I'll drop the mail address for you in the video description section. Send a mail to them as well. Follow up with reminder. Don't just send and sit. There are a lot of people with a lot of complaints. So the more you send your reminders, the more your mail keep going top and top of their mailbox. But if you just send once and others keep sending, piling up, they might want to treat the ones they are seeing first. Meanwhile, the later it comes, the earlier they see it on their own end. So it's better you always follow up with reminders. So that's how you do it to get back your funds. And I wish you guys well. I hope you all get your funds back as soon as possible. So if you are watching the video for the first time, don't forget to click on subscribe button because I'll be dropping subsequent videos. Maybe I know a lot of people might not have idea what this Dash app is about. This is Dash app. You can see here, this is Dash app. You can see this particular old new one, what it does, it always closes itself. That's why I recommend you use the older one to chat their support. So here you can also chat the agent, but it's not as cool as, you see, it's very slow. It's not as cool as the older one. So the older one is faster and easier compared to this one. This one, the application is so fucked up. I don't know what's wrong with the new one, but the older one is better. So but here you can just, what you do is you can just come. I have I have their mail somewhere. I'll get it for you and I'll drop it in the video description section. So that will be very, very better. So just do that. If you're watching the video for the first time, don't forget to click on that subscribe button. You can also share with your friends and family, or other people you know with similar issues, to help them out. So I will be dropping some other updates. Currently Dash is down, so once Dash is back, I will try and find a way to drop some updates on how to go about it. I know a lot of people will be wondering what Dash is about, but just watch out for my next update. Once everything is stable, I'll be dropping a video about that. So watch out, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.